Hey everyone, so back again with another video. In today's video I'll be reviewing Samsung Internet Browser 15.0 beta along with new Chromium update. As you can see, this is the home screen with quick access. Let me show you the about section real quick. As you can see, Samsung Internet version 15.0 beta, the latest version is installed, and now there are some new features present. So let me show you. So first off, you're gonna go to customize menu and you can see there are some options new to the table. You can quickly add them, also reset them. After that, if you go into appearance and go to show bookmark bar, you can choose it to never, always and never. This wasn't present in the 14 versions, but it is now present. Scroll bar, sorry, that's my sim. So tabs below address bar and web page text size, these are the common things present, always present. Privacy and security, there are tons of new features, block backward redirections, block pop-ups, etc. Warn about malicious sites, etc. Now if you go into personal data, delete browsing data, autofill passwords, all same. And there's a mode called secret mode setting. Now this is like a incognito mode of Chrome, but with a password and biometrics. So this is nice. You can use your biometrics to unlock the incognito tab. Pretty cool. Sites and downloads, nothing much. Useful features: video assistant, get advanced controls for videos on website. That's quite nice, but yeah. And allow autoplay videos, open links in other apps. You can turn it on or off, get new notifications, turn off or on. Search engine, you can use any, but I'll use Google anyways. And then there is your home page. You can show news feed, so I have kept it to none, and quick access custom page, it's okay. Now if you go into tabs and click on these three dots up here and go into view as you can see, there's a new thing called choose how to view your open tabs, and this looks pretty cool. So I'll go with list, new tab, and go into tabs, as you can see. But if you change it to, for example, stack, and let's see, yeah, as you can see, or even if we choose as grid, it should be like this. Pretty cool. And there is your usual dark mode, fantastic looking AMOLED, but I don't have AMOLED, so I'll keep it off. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for Samsung Internet Browser. Oh, and another thing is, if you go into a website, it would change the color of the whole status bar and the search bar, etc. So this is a cool addition. If you go into Facebook, it would be blue. So yeah, but YouTube doesn't change, I guess. Yeah, YouTube doesn't. Minimal maybe. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and I hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, peace. Oh, and also there's new widgets. I forgot to tell about the widgets. This is the new search bar, which is pretty nice looking, and there use your big widget for the bookmarks. Now you can choose the opacity, black, white, anything, and there is your bookmark. You can go directly to a website from there. Also you can set up it later if you want, like this. So that's a pretty cool addition, and that's pretty much it for real though. Yeah, and there are tons of features maybe hidden, I don't know. I don't have a Samsung device, and I haven't used Samsung Internet Browser for a while. So yeah, that was the news, and go use it. I'll put a link to the APK in the description if you cannot find it in Play Store.